For the demonstration today, I'm gonna solve a 3x3 by the steps that how I do it. Most people have different opinions, different steps how they do it, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. We're gonna go D. We're gonna go U, U. Wait, yeah. Then we're gonna go U prime. Then we're gonna go. No, we're not gonna go U prime. We're gonna go U, U. We're gonna move U twice. We're gonna go L prime twice. I'm gonna take this piece out, move it over, move it back down. I'm gonna take that piece out so it's back in there. Then we're gonna solve that piece. Okay, to solve that piece, okay, to solve it, we're gonna go U, R prime, F prime. So now that solves half of the pieces. And then for this, we're gonna go U, F, R prime, F prime. That's how I do it to solve the cross. Then how do you get the middle? How do you get the middle edge? How do you get the flipped edge piece and the corner piece paired up together? There's most people that do it. That I learned how I did it as well. So you go. We're gonna go U to line up the corner piece. We're gonna go U again to line up, and then we're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime. I'm gonna do that again. And do that. You're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. I'm gonna go R, U, R prime. Okay, to solve the pair, we're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, L, U, L, L prime. L or L prime, but for me it's gonna be similar to, we're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime, puts the corner in right away. And then we're gonna line up the corner piece again. We're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, L, U, L, and puts it in. And then it goes U, R, U prime, R prime. Okay, to find the corner, if you have this paired up, we're gonna go U2, and then we're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, L, U, L prime. If that ever happens, but I meant U, R, U prime, R prime. And that puts it back in. I might have a flipped edge piece accidentally messed up. So now we almost have the full white side solved. We're gonna go U, R, U prime, R prime. And then we're gonna have this centerpiece right here. We're gonna go U, R, no, not U, R. We're gonna go U prime, L, U, L prime, U, R, U prime, R prime. Alright, how to solve the yellow face next is most people, how do you do it for most preference? I'll demonstrate two methods how I did it. I'm gonna go F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And it'll have put the line here. And you do the same thing again. U, not it goes F, R, U, R prime, F prime. That's no, U prime, F prime. Sorry that I messed up a piece a little bit, but and then I'm gonna do a different one. Okay, how I did it, there's different ways. We're gonna go R Y prime, R Y U, R prime, U, R, U2, RY prime. And it puts it back there. And you have this paired up right here. We're gonna go RY, U, U, R, U2, RY prime. I'm gonna go RY, U, R, U, R, U2, RY prime. And it solves that way. That's how I did as well. There's two ways of doing it. And then what's the next step? How do you solve it? For this is for most people how they did it. If you have these two paired up right here, we're gonna go R. Yeah, we're gonna go R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R, R prime, and then U. And it has all the middle edge flipped pieces solved. But there's another way of doing it. If you don't like to do it that way, there's some people that do it like this. If you have one square piece, you line it up where the corner piece is, where the other ones are. And then you go R. Hold on, for most people, how do you get the corner piece solved perfectly? There's most people that do it. But to solve it, if you have this, and then these are not solved, you can go R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime to do a sledgehammer, F, R2, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, F prime. And look, now we have this. I don't like doing that. So if you don't like where this piece is, you can always just reset it to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R. Then we're gonna put that piece there again. To solve the full yellow, I'm gonna go R, U, prime, L, U, R prime, U prime, L prime. You put that, and then you move that U back. I'm gonna put U, move that color piece back. We're gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna go R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime, L prime. And then if you have all of this completely solved almost, then we're gonna do the same sledgehammer thing again. We're gonna go R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, F prime to solve it.